Hi, I'm Archit Kishore and I own this Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. This is a 2014 car. It's a ZDI, so it's a top model. This has around 165,000 kilometers on the odometer right now, and it's been a great experience because since this is a 7-seater or maybe a 5-seater with a big boot, we have utilized this car in every possible way. We have used it to carry our family, 7 people at any time, and it does it without any problems. All we have done is we have carried 5 but with a big boot after folding the third row, and it's been a great experience because it's very economical to run as well, and it's very spacious. And the best part is that it's very spacious inside, but it has a very compact footprint outside. It almost has, I would not say exactly the same, but almost the space of an Innova, but with a much compact footprint, which you can actually daily every day, because something like an Innova is very big to drive every day in the city. This is very easy to drive in the city. And also I'm getting about 15 to 16 kilometers per liter fuel economy even after 165,000 kilometers, and on the highway I get 18 to 19, even 20 depending on highway conditions. And servicing experience has been good. I used to get a bill of about 7 to 8,000 each servicing at the Maruti service station, but post 1,20,000 I have started getting it serviced outside at a friendly neighborhood garage, because once my warranty expired I felt no need to go to the company. So post 1,20,000 it has been serviced outside only, but till 1,20,000 every service was done at authorized service station, and no complaints on their front. There were some issues where service station people were a little lazy, but 1 or 2 escalations made sure that even that was done very smoothly, and post 1 or 2 escalations they started taking my car a bit more seriously, and I don't think that is a deal breaker actually at all. And overall the ownership experience has been actually really good. And for one thing I know and my family know, that the replacement of this car will actually have big shoes to fill, because there's so much versatility with this car that is going to be difficult to find in another car in one package. I've done some changes to the car. I've gotten some wider tires. So these are 195/60 section R15. The stock is 185/65, and I've gotten a Continental MC5, so they are extremely grippy tires, wet or dry. I've gotten a Quantum Tuning UK remap. So they have 2 maps, so red and blue. Red is the aggressive one, blue is the drivability map. So I have the drivability map because I just wanted to drive against the turbo lag, wanted to reduce the turbo lag. So I've gotten the blue map. I've also gotten Morimoto projectors on the headlights, FXR 3.0, and I've gotten IPH car projectors for the fog lights, and I am also running Rockford Fosgate components for the front door for audio, and Rockford Fosgate coaxials for the rear door, all powered by a Kenwood 4-channel amp. Yeah, that's about all the changes I've done as well. Yeah, definitely I recommend this new. In fact, there's a new one standing right there, and I recommend a new one, and I also recommend this as a pre-owned purchase as well, because it's very difficult to find, again as I said, so much versatility in one package. So overall the experience has been really good, and I mean, we did not expect actually to have such a good experience, because this car was supposed to be a stopgap arrangement for something bigger, but we liked it so much that we kept it for longer, and we've been using it in every possible way since then.